Hi Mohina, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good, yeah. So how is life in Dehradun in this lockdown?
Life in Dehradun is, I guess, much better than Bombay. I heard that's what my friends are telling me. कि वहाँ पे, I think the death toll and everything is very, very high.
Yes,
I think,
Maharashtra, Mumbai has come as a red zone,
yeah.
Mumbai and also the surrounding of the city has come as a red.
Well, the situation all over the country pretty much is like bad. In fact, not only all over the country, all over the world is quite bad. And I have kids in the house.
But then that's good, like your time अच्छे से पास होता रहेगा घर में एकदम पूरे बच्चे बच्चे हैं तो
Like the entire family is together. In fact, after marriage, that's what I was telling a few people. Is that after marriage, this is the first time I've stopped doing anything, stopped traveling. So for me, this is good because I can actually get used to this new house. वरना मैं इतना travel कर रही थी that I was not getting the time to get used to married life, and now I'm getting used
okay.
to it.
Okay. And also, like, it's 6 months to your wedding, and today you posted that beautiful teaser also on your Instagram of from your wedding. So, just take us a little bit about it. Like, how has it been, like, 6 months down the line, like, from going on the sets and working regularly to being, settling down to a more domesticated life and enjoying this whole phase and all.
Yes. So in the beginning, I couldn't understand anything because there was so much going on. Like I got married and I was just traveling. Because in my husband's family, there's basically a lot of traveling involved, and that's what I
Hmm.
got very busy with. And plus, it was the wedding season, and lots of my friends were getting married. Lots of Suyash's friends were getting married, so we had to travel a lot, but because of corona we had to force. In fact, we had weddings coming even now, like in April we had weddings, but of course they all got cancelled, unfortunately. So we stopped traveling, but now that I'm at home and chilling, I'm able to do a lot of things. I think me and my husband both are like kind of every day, or not every day, within every few days, like we think of like new hobbies that we can pursue. And and I'm learning editing skills. That's what I'm learning.
Okay. And any other hobby? A lot of people, in the comment section want to know about Rimora.
About Rimorov. Well,
Yeah.
what about Rimorov?
Like, are you all in touch and how is it like,
Of
the
course, Gaurav and
equation?
I are in touch, and
Huh.
in fact, we have our own channels now. Uh, so Gaurav, whenever he makes a vlog and he wants to do something with me, we figure something out and we do it. And very recently, I just made a vlog with him, and I'm gonna be putting it up very soon. So yeah, that's what's happening with Gaurav.
Okay. And like some viewers also want to know because I guess that even Shivangi is now in Dehradun. So once the lockdown
Yes.
ends, do you plan to visit her?
Sure, like if she doesn't immediately start shooting, then we did decide ke hum milenge, and then we'll like plan something, go out, or probably stay indoors. I don't know, whatever it is. Once this opens up, I guess nobody has gone through this situation before. So what happens after this, we'll get to know very soon. But yeah, we definitely plan to meet.
Okay. And like on Instagram, like we have been seeing your pictures, like in the best of Desi ensemble, like from lovely saris to, like dressed like the perfect royal bride and things like that. But you come from a royal family yourself. You have had the background and the knowledge of, how there's a certain sensibility associated with growing up in that kind of an household. And even after marriage, it's the same thing. But how was it? Was it a little difficult? Because as an actress, when you're living in Mumbai, you're doing your own thing, and it's like no one like actually bothers about you and like what you
Hmm.
do, because that's one of the best things about Bombay. And to to
Yeah.
suddenly come in a society where people might not be judging you, but you know
Hmm.
that you have to live up to a certain kind of
Yes.
lifestyle.
Well, I think I was always somehow used to um how do I say? So when I used to go to Riva, there was a certain decorum that I had to follow anyway. Um and in Bombay, of course, there's a lot of freedom to do anything and everything you want. But the thing is, like a little bit discipline, I feel I feel sometimes we end up lacking when how do I say? So I miss that balance of discipline and freedom. You know what I mean? So if you have a
Okay.
balance of two things, you feel more fulfilled as a person. If you have only discipline, you will not be happy. If you have
Hmm.
only freedom, you will make sure that you'll make yourself unhappy. You will not even realize it. So I have always followed this thing, whether I was married or not married, that I will try and find a balance. So even when I started dancing, I started with Kathak. So it's wearing salwar suits is not new for me. When I was going to Riva, I used to always dress up this similar way. In fact, I used to love wearing saris. My mother used to say, "Please don't wear saris. You don't look good. You're too thin for it." So,
Okay.
but now I get to wear saris. So yeah.
Okay. And so, like, just for a study, you're a very creative person, like from your dance to acting and everything. Like, but for you to suddenly, to kind of say goodbye to a career and to come here, like, was it like, is there ever, in the back of your mind that one feeling, okay, if I get that one smashing role or that one place where I think I'll really get to grow as an artist, I might go back. Is it ever there somewhere in your mind, like say in the 5% or 10% there in your mind ever? Or is it just like that, okay, what I have made is full and final?
See, I mean, firstly, you should never say never, but at the same time, you know how you said that I suddenly decided. No, that's what happens with actors is we are probably thinking about something for a very long time, or we are feeling something for a very long time, but the media gets to know later, right? Media gets to know when
Yeah.
something is done. Like I got
Yes.
married, so everybody's like, "Oh my God, she suddenly got married." I had been planning to get married for a very long time. I was just not
Okay.
finding the right person.
Huh.
And I had always thought that I'm gonna find a, again, as I said, I wanted to find a balance. Like I don't want to stop my art for sure. And it's like you have to have that passion. So whether whatever you're wearing or wherever you are, if that passion is there, you will slowly find your way back into the that routine that you used to follow. How I used to go to shoot at that time. Here I have my own routine which I will make slowly, which I am doing. And so it's not like sudden. It just I had been thinking about it for some time, and now I did it. Now you all got to
Oh.
know. Yeah.
Okay. And like I think there's a lot of questions like in the comment section, like people want to see Rimorav like back, like the friendship to be back. So like do you ever at times, miss that moment that you all shared, as the camaraderie? And do you think there's a chance of everything settling down once again?
um I don't think I would like to comment on this.
Okay. All right. And so like it's been like 6 months in
And
Dehradun
Gaurav
and
and I
things
are
like
going to be
so.
friends for life, that's for sure. He's a very nice guy.
Oh. Okay. And so, like from the cast of Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata, other people who are you in touch with?
I'm in touch with so many of them. I'm in touch with Swati auntie, that is Dadi. I'm in touch with
Yeah, Swati
Shilpa.
Chitnis ji.
Actually, you know what? ये जो Facebook का जमाना है ना, it sort of keeps you in touch with everybody somehow or the other. Even when you get like a like or something, Like you feel ke, okay, you're connected, you're in touch. No, but at the same time, like Ali, I speak to quite a bit. Shivangi, I speak to quite a bit. Shilpa, I speak to quite a bit. Parul से बात हो जाती है WhatsApp पे. सचिन जी से बात हो जाती है, विशाल जी से बात हो जाती है, क्षिति से बात हो जाती है, निधि निधि एंड मोहित, उनसे बात हो जाती है. So yeah, I miss Medha auntie a lot.
Okay. And like the show, like for so many years it's going on and everyone has given it more and more love. Like it has got the old audience and it has also a very young audience that, likes Kara so much. And even there was a lot of love for even Kirti and Naksh's characters when they were
Yes,
growing in that
yes,
phase. So what
yes.
according to you, keeps it so relevant and what's the secret behind this longevity of the show?
Um, I think something which the makers follow is that one thing is, of course, the festivals and the festivities that are going on, like the shadis, and you know, that is one thing. The other thing is like I think everybody wears beautiful outfits. Everybody has like these style statements that people want to follow, and they stay up to date with the times. So that is something which people follow. Like women want to see what what Naira wore, what Kirti wore, what Dadi wore. So that for their
Yeah.
next function they can wear that, right? What Lata ji,
Yes, from the
wears.
fishtail gowns to the jewelry
Exactly,
and
exactly. So
everything. Yeah.
everyone used to ask us, okay, where did you get this from? Or like everybody used to talk about our outfits. That is something which really keeps people hooked to Ye Rishta. And the other thing is that they really always spoke about what was happening now. Like for example, when coronavirus happened, they had an episode dedicated to coronavirus. When there
Hmm.
was something happening about women's rights, they spoke about. They had an episode. We had an episode about women's rights, right? So these social issues is something which they keep bringing about, and I think that's what keeps it going. And I think it'll keep on going till like my kids are born and their kids are born, and I don't know.
Okay. And so, how has it been like? Like, tell us a little bit about Suyash and yours love story.
Oh. So I met him the first time in Delhi. That's when like our families made us meet, and it was quite filmy. He was very quiet and I'm very talkative. I think that's the first impression that I got, and something which I really like the first thing that like I got very excited about was he liked mountains a lot, and I
Hmm.
love mountains. I've always like loved mountains, and I want to explore mountains, and he goes for hikes and treks, and that is something I really really liked, and I wanted to I wanted to experience that, and that's how I think we started talking or whatever, and I like I like people who like mountains because I feel they're very honest people, they're very good people.
Okay.
uh so I And he didn't talk too much, unnecessarily trying to impress me or something, you know
Okay.
so not that I was talking too much trying to do that with him, but he was not he was not unnecessarily trying stupid things
They're
to
very
impress me.
quiet, self-assured type person.
But
Yeah.
he is not quiet, huh? After you So it took me a lot of time like to get to know, and the thing is that because he was so quiet and he slowly was talking to me about things, like it just got me very curious about him. I'm like, ये कौन है, ये क्या है, like why is he like this, I want to know him. So धीरे धीरे getting to know him, I just found him really really nice, and really peaceful, very like very caring, and I like that. Like I have too much drama in me, and I can be a little difficult also. But he is very like calm and peaceful, and that for me brings the balance. For me, everything in life is about balance, and I think that's what I felt with him. Like I felt a sort of like I have these things, he has these things. We get together, and you kind of complete each other, and that's what I felt for him.
And in 6 months, like, what is it one change you have noticed in him and in yourself?
He has opened up a lot. He talks to me a lot about a lot of things, and he's watching me right now.
I can guess that. Yeah, it's pretty obvious.
He will not come. He's very shy. But yeah, so I used to think that he's very, very, very shy. But I thought, okay, but no, no, he's very fun. He
Hmm.
I like the fact that he can make me think about like new things to do. Like he inspires me to do new things, and I try to do the same thing with him.
Okay. And so, like, from the time, like, when you came into the industry, like, for you, it was like, breaking a glass ceiling and coming here, coming on a reality show, performing, then going ahead in your career and things like that. So, like, your story ever fascinate him? Like, does he ever ask you, like, what gave you, this kind of.
I think so. I
Did he
guess
just say
like
that,
jab
Moina, you're
hamara
such a trailblazer?
I'm such a
You're such a trailblazer.
no. So yeah, he is proud of me. He tells me like he's watched my videos and everything, and I think shadi ke pehle, I think their family knew what I used to do, so everybody had
Hmm.
already seen everything on TV, on YouTube and everything. So he already knew everything. He's not at all interested in this line at all. He is somebody who does things out of passion without showing the world, and that is something that he believes in. And so he pushes me to do what I used to do. He tells me that that was your life or whatever it is. So please don't like get disconnected from that. He tells me that what you like you do. So he helps me. Like for example, if I want to shoot a vlog, he'll help me with the camera and all because his camera knowledge is definitely better than mine. So he's been a constant support, and and he is fascinated by my life. In fact, I remember Star Parivar Awards ho raha tha before our wedding, and I had gone, and um, he it took me we were supposed to meet for dinner, and it took me a lot of time at Star Parivar, and he waited for me for like about 4 5 hours because I got late. And when I met him, he's like, it's okay, I understand in this line it takes time. And I was like, 4 hours, 5 hours of waiting, and all he told me was, "It's okay, I understand." I fell flat. I was like, "Oh my God, he is the nicest person I've ever met." Touch wood.
Such good, yeah. Okay. And obviously, like your show Dil Dosti Dance, even today it has a huge fan base. Like people really
Yes.
connected with Shantanu, Rishika, everyone. So, like, are you in touch with the gang? Like, do you ever watch your old episodes, like, of your shows?
So, before, like I say anything, I have to say, like everyone, like all of my fans on Instagram, all of the fans, starting from like DID, Jhalak, Dil Dosti Dance, Silsila Pyar Ka, um, Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, Dil Dosti Dance. What else did I miss? I don't know. Pyar Tune Kya Kiya. Everything, Remora, now Mohina vlogs and Gaurav's vlogs. So all of these fans, I hope I've not missed out, because every time I miss out their names, they tell me later, they're like, "Oh, how can you forget us?" So I must say that all of these guys, they keep posting these videos and edits and pictures, and they're so creative and so loving, that every day I get to see some new video of mine, some old video of mine, and that keeps me very connected to what all I have done in my life. So I have to say thank you to all these guys, all these my loves, all my fans who
Oh,
are my loves. Yeah.
okay.
So they
And now
keep me
coming
connected
with,
with what all I've done.
yes. No, we have seen it, like on our site, any story that we do about you, it's a photo gallery, like 5 times she looked absolutely like everything, like, for 3, 4 days the story goes on and they trends like on Google, like anything. Like your
Wow.
fan base is very, very loyal and they really love you to bits.
That's so sweet. Guys, I love you all. I love you all a lot. And I also want to say, like, you know, to be very honest, I'm somebody who is not um, very great with social media. Imagine. I'm not very good. Like I have to push myself to do it, and the only reason I push myself to do it are these fans, because for them I do it, because otherwise I could post very boring stuff on Instagram. If you go scroll down and see what I used to post earlier, they were like ants and monkeys and flowers. These are the kind of things I used to post earlier. But because of my fans, I make sure that I post things that they will like. And thank you for telling me that they like it. Yay.
Yeah, they definitely do, and there's always love coming in for you. And so,
Thanks
like
for all the
talking
love
about,
coming in, and
yeah.
I'm flowing it out as well. I'm trying my level best.
Yes, yeah. And like talking about love, I think the Jodi that so many young people are crazy about is Kyra. I think
Yes.
Shivangi and Mohsin have set you like a bar when it comes to, the kind of madness that people are. Like people are so
The
connected, their
cute
bad day.
lovers.
Cute
The
lovers
cute
that
lovers.
they're cute lovers, the day, when their day goes bad, like a whole fandom is in depression कि आज ऐसा हो गया show में, like between. So
Hmm.
according to you, what makes Kyra tick in such a level?
Uh, I guess it's today's love story. How like the makers have made their characters is so wonderful, because they've shown Naira to be so strong and such a how do I say, such a strong girl, such a today's girl, right? But at the same time following traditions, that she has. So that is, and then Karthik being somebody who's very supportive of her, who's wow. I feel like I'm talking about. Anyway, I just spoke about us like that. Anyway, so it's a very today's love story, like how you know they both followed traditions, and at the same time, they love each other so dearly that they'll do anything for each other. I think the makers have done a fabulous job with their characters, and at the same time the actors have done such a beautiful job by portraying those characters so wonderfully that the audience has to fall in love with them. And there's so much that goes on, with the characters of Kyra. Like there's such beautiful music that they get. They get such wonderful sequences. उनके लिए इतनी beautiful stories लिखी जाती हैं that obviously, like, you watch those stories and you're like, oh my God, काश मेरा भी ऐसा होता.
Yeah,
So
the dream sequences are quite elaborate and, nicely with
exactly.
every
So the makers have
festival.
done a fabulous job, and the actors like Shivi and Mohsin have performed beautifully. Yeah.
Oh. And like in your life, like there's also the role of your mentors, Terence sir and Remo sir, like the way, like when you started out, the way they guided you. Any memory you have of them that you can share with the viewers?
Uh, so with Terence sir, there's a memory basically. Wow, years ago now. I think it must be like 8, 9 years ago when we were going. So it was supposed to be me assisting Terence sir for a US workshop. So we
Hmm.
were going to go all around US, and we were going to give workshops. And this was the first time I would travel alone, with Terence sir. So it was such a sweet gesture. Like किसी ने कोई सवाल नहीं किए थे. Like my parents knew Terence sir very well, and they trusted him like so much because he's such a nice person. So
He's wonderful.
Terence gave me a letter and he said, please give this to your parents. I said, okay. So my mother opened the letter. She read it. She's like, oh my God, this is so sweet. I said, what did he say? He's like, I'll take care of her. And he wrote a letter, not even like a message. That's such a
Hmm.
beautiful gesture. So he wrote a letter saying that, oh, auntie, uncle, I'll be keeping Mohina safe and sound with me, and don't worry about her at all. I'm her elder brother, and la la la, whatever. And that really touched my heart and everybody else's heart. So that was an amazing, beautiful gesture by Terence, sir, which I remember very clearly. Then with Remo sir, Remo sir had once on DID told me that like मैंने performance किया था with Puneet and Salman, and he had told Puneet, you're my right hand. And he had told Salman something I forgot, and he said that Mohina, you are my heart, and I was like, I melted then. So that was a very very sweet thing which Remo sir said. And also, Remo Circa, I remember I had just finished DID. Nobody knew me, except for like, oh no, people knew me then. I had just finished DID, and nobody in the film world kind of knew me. And
Yeah.
he was just about to finish ABCD.
Yeah.
So he asked me, he's like, Acha, I have a song in ABCD, you want to do it? And I'm like, sir, Neki or Pooch Pooch, of course I want to do it. And that's how I got Man Basiyo Savariyo. And that was my first time on the silver screen. And yeah, that was amazing. So that was a memory with Remo sir.
And Mohin, in the past couple of years, Indian dancers are really rocking the world. We have seen how Kings
Absolutely.
United, like they have done so well.
Yes.
And
Oh
everyone who
yeah.
has come, like beat NBC, ABC, World of Dance, everyone is
Yeah.
saying that India is a dancing talent to watch
Killing
out
it.
for. And then we have arrived,
Yeah.
like somewhere. So, what do you think that in this past one decade has brought about this change?
Exposure. Well, a lot of exposure because you know the when we were kids, like we used to wait for some film to come, and then we used to watch this Bollywood sequence, dance sequence, and then we'd be like, okay, fine. अब next time जब TV पे आएगा तो I'll learn that step. Next time जब आएगा तो I'll learn that. Or you had to go and buy like CD and all that. Now what? Yeah, now you have your phone, you have
Hmm.
YouTube. You just put on anything. You can stand in front of it and slow karke you can learn an entire sequence. So now, and another thing is passion. Like people have come out and said ki, okay, now we can have a career in dance. That is something which we didn't have earlier. That is something which we didn't know of earlier. It started with boogie woogie for sure, but like a boost came in when DID came and social media came at the same like sort of the same time.
Yeah.
So then kids were like, oh my god, we can become dancing stars. Oh my god, we can become good choreographers. Oh my god, we can do this, we can do that. Suddenly now right? Anything you want to find out, you type it and you want to become a chef, you write, you type it, okay, fine, I know how to become a chef. Okay, you want to become a painter, you type it, you know how to become a painter. You want to become a dancer, okay, you type it, you get your videos, there you go. So many of these kids don't have professional training, but they're
Yeah, actually,
naturally
they're coming
talented,
from small towns. कहीं से भी आ रहे हैं, you have no idea.
which is
School में,
wonderful
कुछ
because
नहीं, which
people
is
in
wonderful.
small towns now have the opportunity. And instead of like youngsters have this aggression, वो कहते हैं ना खून boil होता
Fire
है,
in the
like
belly,
गर्म,
yeah.
fire in the belly. Yeah,
Yeah.
so you put it to good use. Don't become aggressive people. Don't become like very like your energy is being directed into a good thing, into a productive thing, rather than going into a negative space.
Hmm.
This is wonderful. And I even parents must be thinking, acha theek hai, hamara, like earlier parents were not agreeing to this, to
Hmm.
dance and this and that. But now parents are like, one second, we've seen so many kids just wasting away their lives. So if this kid wants to dance and go into a good direction, why not? एंड डांसिंग स्टार भी नहीं बनो आप, अगर एक टीचर बन जाओ ना, डांस टीचर, दैट इज ऑल्सो सच अ वंडरफुल थिंग. यू इंस्पायर सो मेनी किड्स, you know, you will change their lives maybe, you know. Teachers are very underrated these days. We've lost the importance of teachers.
So as a kid, like you said that हमारे टाइम पे तो वही था, काली काली आंखें देखिए, मेरा पिया घर आया ओ राम जी, वो सब
Ole
देख के और
Ole, that's
रिहर्सल
what I
के
used to
ओले
sing
ओले.
with Sun.
So which was your 5 favorite songs that you know you were like मुझे तो बाय हार्ट करना ही है इसके steps,
When I was a
like
kid.
yeah, as a kid, you know, शादी में ये डांस करना है, स्कूल फंक्शन में ये करना है, पूजा के कल्चरल प्रोग्राम में ये वाला कर.
So, one was तो बोले चूड़ियां, that was something
हाँ.
like Kareena, yeah, I loved her. Then उसके पहले this what did I just say? Abhi, which verse song did I say?
ओले ओले Saif.
Ole
ओले
Ole,
ओले,
हाँ.
yeah.
Ole Ole was my first. Like I used to watch it and I was like, ये तो करना है. And the whole thing, you know, the Saif's Ole Ole I had done. Then
Yeah.
this Ruk 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 Are Baba Ruk I had done. Tabbu wala, that was
हाँ.
something. Then Mehndi Laga Ke Rakhna, Bole Chudiyan. हाँ, yeah. And
Okay.
then later of course दिल तो पागल है मैं करिश्मा कपूर को देख के I went
ले गई ले गई.
mad. I went mad. I went bonkers. I was like, okay. And she became my favorite actress from there.
No, that
At that
was like
time.
the ultimate test, you know, if you could even do
Ultimate.
like, yeah, like 5% of what Karishma had done on that in that movie, then everyone will top of the world we are, you know, if we can do even
Yeah. I
5%
really
of.
enjoyed that.
Okay.
I went crazy about her.
Yeah.
Just want to say hi to everyone who's joined in and joining in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Mohina, is there any dance form, you know, which you like you watch on screen and you feel that, okay, I should learn this one, you know, like,
Hmm. Which is the dance? So, like I started with Kathak, you know, but Bharatanatyam is something which I really want to try. I feel like I think I'm very interested in learning Bharatanatyam.
okay. And any in the, like in the foreign dance forms?
Um, I think I liked this thing Rumba a lot, so I wouldn't mind trying to learn Rumba. Yeah, maybe with my husband.
Oh, okay. But that's like it's like Suyash like comfortable on the floor. Like I'm not saying dancing, but just a Bharati type or something like that. Does he
No,
manage?
he's a very good dancer. I don't know if he can hear me. He's very good, yeah. He's very good. And not just bathroom dancing, all sorts of dancing. He's shown me so many things. Listen, what is that? What was that thing you showed me the other day? What is that man thing that I was doing? Running man. He taught me the running man.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
And as like in general, like this whole thing, coronavirus is like it's a very testing time for the whole world, not only just for
Yeah.
us. So anything
Yeah.
you would like to tell people, you know?
It is definitely very, very. We've never been through something like this, you know,
Yeah.
where we've all been locked down. And I'll give you a very, how do I say, philosophical perspective that I have. And that is, I think humans are really messing. Like everybody tells you the same thing, okay, wash your hands, this, that, whatever. We
Yeah.
all already know this. But there's
Yeah.
something which, you know, I feel is that humans are really messing around a lot with the world and the
Yeah.
planet and
Yeah.
nature and animals. And
Yeah.
and the earth is our god, and we
Yeah.
think that we are gods and
Yeah.
we aim to be gods,
Yes.
but someday the gods are going to tell us, and they are telling us, that y'all are not gods, y'all are not
Yeah.
ruling animal, y'all are not supposed to rule animals and rule
Everything does not
other.
belong to us.
Yeah, we are just slightly more intelligent, so made this fictional life all around us.
Hmm.
But the planet will someday tell us that you are not God, and this is that time where the earth is telling us that you are not God. You please sit down, relax, and please start getting connected to the earth. It is very important. Everybody wants to fly high, but nobody wants to stay connected to the earth. And that is something which I want to bring to everybody's notice, that greed is what is leading us, and it's leading all of us to do all the wrong things. And I know all these wrong things look wonderful, but trust me, we're killing our souls and we're killing the planet. So that is my message, that please stop, pause, and think what you are doing with your lives and with the lives of others and this planet.
Oh, got it. Thank you so much, Mohina. It was wonderful connecting. It was a great session, and I hope that all your fans also had a lovely time, interacting with you. And
Thank you so
acha,
much for having me over. Yes.
yeah, there's one question I think that someone has asked you, that which celebrity do you want to be in lockdown? Like, would you like to be in lockdown with Shah Rukh Khan?
uh, why? Why would I want to be with? Maybe I would want to be with Amitabh Bachchan ji, because I think he has some wonderful, thoughts and poetries, and that's what I would like to hear. And his experiences in life. मतलब मैं शाहरुख के साथ क्या ही करूंगी. And by the way, everybody knows this. Salman is my favorite Bollywood actor.
Oh, okay. All
But still, I
right.
would rather sit with Amitabh ji and find out like his
Okay,
thoughts.
yeah. Great. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
so very much. I had a
Yeah.
wonderful time. Lovely questions.
Yeah.
And thank
Thank
you,
you.
everybody. Thank you so much. Lots of love to everyone.